Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by creating your GitHub account and verifying your email so access is seamless. Once done, install Git on your machine and configure user. Name and user. Email, this ties commits to you. Next, generate an SSH key and add it to GitHub. This avoids repeated passwords and secures push/pull actions. Now create a new repository on GitHub and clone it locally. This immediately links remote and local, so you can start tracking changes without delay. You make changes in a feature branch to keep main stable. Git checkout B feature creates isolation. Then stage with git add and commit with a clear message that explains why, not what. This helps future reviewers. Once ready, push the branch with git push origin feature and open a pull request on GitHub to request review. During review, address comments with follow-up commits. Make sure to pull upstream changes, often to avoid large merge conflicts, and keep history clean. You complete work by merging the approved pull request into main using your repo's chosen method. Squash for a tidy history or merge commit to preserve context. Once merged, pull main locally and delete the feature branch to reduce clutter. Make sure collaborators clone or fetch regularly to stay synchronized. If a merge conflict appears, stop, fetch latest, and resolve the conflicting files locally. Then commit the resolution and push. That single troubleshooting step prevents accidental over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.